pointers. Guys, same program, read 5 array elements and print them. Okay, guys, tell me what is required. Int I, a of 5 and I and star p is required, pointer is required. Now guys, tell me how to read that elements, right? Printf, I give you one message, enter 5 array elements, enter array elements, I give you a message. Guys, you have to tell what you have to write the statement. Guys, tell me what you have to write, how to read 5 array elements using pointers. First p is pointing where? Guys, tell me how to write using array pointer. Using pointer, how to read 5 elements and how to print them.
Is equals to A of 0.
Huh?
P is equals to A first.
Equals to a, yeah. P equals to has to point to first element, right? P has to point first element. A are different ways you can write, right? P equals to address of A also you can write, or P equals to address of A of 0. You know this. These all are same. P equals to A plus 0. This is all same. Okay, P is pointing to first element. Okay, I want to read 5 elements. How to read 5 elements? Tell me. What I have to write, guys?
For
Okay.
I is equals to 0, I less than 5.
I equals to 0, I less than 5. Okay.
I plus plus after that.
Okay, I plus plus. After that, what I have to write? Yeah, guys, tell me.
P of m plus 5.
Huh?
Print
How
test
to read?
P of
Printf or scanf?
Scanf.
First, we write a scanf. Yeah. Scanf. Yeah, tell me.
to get A of 0, 1.
Oh, what are the here?
Percentile D.
Percentile D.
Percentile D. Good.
A of 5.
That is
And
finished.
percentile
P of I.
P of I you can write. Can I write P?
Yes, sir. Next we write P plus plus.
Are you following? This you declared 5 elements, right? See, you declare 5 elements like this. First, P is pointing to this location. P is pointing to this location. Okay, I want to store in this P. Okay, if I say P, it will store here. Okay, after second element, third element, fourth element also I want to store. You want to store second, third, fourth, then what you have to write?
P plus plus. No.
P plus plus.
Right? We can write P plus plus. If I say P plus plus, okay, after this loop, where it will go this loop? Where is the P location? After this loop.
Last element.
Okay, after P plus plus, it points this location. After this, are you following? Whatever the next element is there, next element it will point. If it is a 1001, 1005, 1003, 5, 7, 9. If it is a 9 up to 9, it points to 1011 location. Okay, this is a reading. This is correct only reading. How to display the elements? How to printing we write? Okay, how to print them? Tell me, guys. Printf array elements are. I want to display array elements. Okay, array elements are. What I have to write, guys? For
I is equals to 5.
0. Okay, I less than 5. I plus plus. Okay, this loop will execute. Again, P should come to the first location, right? Are you following? Now P is here now. P is exceeded that range. Now again P should come to this location. P should come to this location. How to move to that P location then? P equals to what I have to write?
P equal to 0.
Yeah. Are you following?
Okay.
P equals to A.
Yes, sir.
Again same thing you have to write. If I write P equals to A, again P will move to the same 0th location. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, here what I have to write? After this, we have to write P equals to A. That is again, P is pointing to base array. P is pointing to base location. Base address. Here also, what is P? P is pointing to base address. This statement also, P is pointing to base address. P is pointing to base address. Okay, now how to display the elements? Now I want to display the elements. Printf. What do you have to write? Printf. Right here /n %id. What do you have to write, guys?
P. Star P.
Star P.
Star
Okay, if
P
I write
of
star P, yeah, star P. If I write star P
plus
first
plus.
and
First
only 10,
element.
10, 10 it prints, right?
P plus
Example
plus.
3. Yeah, first and 10, enter the 10, 20, 30, and 40 and 50.
50.
See, guys, it is printing only 10, 10, 10, 10. It is printing.
So P plus plus.
Yeah, what to do instead of is P plus plus, you have to write P plus plus. If I write P plus plus, now check it, guys. Enter the 5 array elements. First 10, 20, 30, and 40 and 50. See the elements 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Guys, see, guys, instead of these 2 steps, I write 1 step. Guys, all of you concentrate. This is what star P. P is pointing to that location. Star P P plus plus. Star P P plus plus. In one step, I will write. What is that step, guys? See here. /n %id star P plus plus. Are you following this, guys? These 2 steps I combine. These 2 steps I combine. Star P P plus plus. That is star P plus plus. Same here also. Scanf P plus plus is there, right? I will combine these 2 steps also. How to combine these 2 steps? Tell me, guys, how to combine these 2 steps? In one step we can write scanf
%id.
%id P plus plus.
P
asterisk
plus
P.
plus.
Okay, now these 2 steps, 1 step I have written. First it will store in P, next it P value will move to the next location. Okay, yeah, see the once execute, enter the 5 array elements 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Now array elements are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, write this first. After that we give you another program. This is completed, right? After that, write a logic here. After next logic, print array elements in reverse order in the next program. Next, after writing it using pointers. Guys, you understood, right, this program? Arvind, clear? After the class you have to do practice also. Okay, yeah, Nitin, you understood, right? Yeah, Nitin. Okay, Ruhina,
Yes, sir. Understood.
Varalakshmi.
Sir.
Okay, now? Yeah, guys, write this.
Sir,
Yeah,
sir, why we have wrote P equals a pointing base address sir, here after scan?
this one. See, after this step, we are assigning a values, right?
Yes, sir.
First to see, this loop will execute, right? This loop will execute. First element stored in scanf %d P, right? First element
Yes,
will be
sir.
stored here. After that, P plus plus you have written, right?
Yes, sir.
P plus plus means P will point to this location. P
Yes.
will point to this location. Next, how many times this loop will execute? 5 times. 20 will be stored. Are you following? 20 will be stored. Next, go to the next location. P plus plus.
40 and 50.
It goes to this location 30. After that, again P plus plus. P will destroy this and again P point to this location. P is pointing to this location. Now 40 and same way 50 also. 50 also will be stored. After 5 times execution, 50 will be stored. Now where will be the P after that? P will be here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now if you want to display from here, P should come to this location or not?
Yes, sir.
That's why I have written this statement.
Okay.
Okay, now if I write
Yes,
P
sir.
equals to A, again what will happen? Again this comes to, again it points to that again base address. Then we can display now. If I write star P, this element will be printed. Again move that star P, again move that star P, again move star P. Like this, displaying array elements I have written. Write this.